Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is NANDA number 23 from 12 Science Street. In this video, I will to show you guys how to make an egg sandwich. Egg sandwich that I made is a simple menu that can be made without the hassle. It's suitable as a menu for breakfast. The ingredients that need to be prepared and how to make them are not difficult. You can customize the ingredients to your taste, but now it's my recipe. Let's begin! The ingredients: a tomato, 2 eggs, a sheet of lettuce, 2 slices of bread, a sausage, chili sauce, a slice of cheese. Step 1. Cut the sausage into 2 pieces. Step 2. Turn on the stove. Heat a little oil in a frying pan. When the oil is heated, Step 3. Cook the sausage until done. Don't forget to flip the sausage over so they don't burn. Turn off the stove. Drain the sausage. Set aside the sausage. Step 4. Wash the vegetable, slice a tomato. Step 5. Crack 2 eggs in a bowl. Add some seasoning. Then beat the egg. Wait the oil to heat first. Step 6. Cook the omelet in a pan that has been given the oil to fry the eggs. Flat the omelet with spatula. Step 7. Place your bread slices on the pan, side by side with the eggs. When the eggs are almost already cooked, flip the whole sandwich and egg over. Step 8. On one side of bread, add the chili sauce. Flatten. Because I like spicy, I add more chili sauce. Add a sheet of lettuce, a slice of tomato, sausage, and a slice of cheese. Step 9. Fold in half to cover the sandwich, then cook briefly until the sides of the bread are golden. Press it. Press the sandwich. Step 10. Remove the sandwich on the plate so it's ready to serve. Egg sandwich by me, ready to serve. Tips for the beginners. Adjust the heat of the fire because you have to work fast so that the bread doesn't burn. That's my video about how to make an egg sandwich. Hope you guys all enjoy to watch my video. Thank you so much. See you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.